Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Friday, December the 4th, 2020. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting the Euro-Yen analysis.
Euro rose against the Japanese yen on Friday, increasing the price of the Euro-Yen pair to more than 126 ahead of the release of European gross domestic news. The technical bias remained bullish since the Euro-Yen pair printed a higher low in the recent downside move.
Okay, so this pair Euro-Yen is currently trading around the 126.09. So this price is likely to come across some key resistance levels. Looking at the chart closely, we can see the first resistance is at 126.52, which is the upper trend line arm. Second resistance is at 127.06, a major horizontal resistance level. And finally, the third resistance is at 128 even, a psychological number.
On the downside, the price of the Euro-Yen pair might find some critical support levels. The support levels are: the first support will be 125.46, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci level. The second support will be 125.31, which is the trend line support. And the third support will be 124.88, which is the low of August 25th, 2020. The technical bias might remain bullish as long as 125.46, the key support level, remains intact.
Okay, so the big news we've got to keep an eye out for is the European GDP. So Eurostat plans to release these numbers concerning the European gross domestic product on Tuesday next, which is on the 8th next week. And according to economists' consensus, the Euro gross domestic product reached a reading of 12.6% in this third quarter, bearing no noticeable change compared to the 12.6% in the previous quarter.
The European gross domestic product stats reflect the total worth of products, including goods and services produced within the Eurozone over the given time. The European gross domestic news is an important economic indicator since it reveals the overall economic health of the country. Generally speaking, increasing numbers suggest a bullish market for the Euro-Yen pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair over the past few days, buying the Euro-Yen pair around the current levels might yield some quick profits. Now let's look at the US-Swiss analysis.
The US dollar nosedived against the Swiss franc on Friday, decreasing the price of the US-Swiss pair to less than 90 cents, ahead of the release of US Nonfarm payroll news.
Okay, so the US Swiss is currently trading around the 89.01 with the following support levels you need to keep an eye on. Looking at the charts, you'll find the first support. The first support is at 0.8880, which is the immediate lower trend line arm. Second support is at 88.57, which is the horizontal resistance level. And finally, the third support, you will find the 88 even, a psychological number.
On the upside, the price of the US Swiss pair may have some critical resistance levels. The first resistance will be 0.9093, which is the high of November 30 this year. The second resistance will be 0.9100, which is the psychological spot. And the third resistance will be 0.9169, which is 23.6% Fibonacci level resistance.
So there's even bigger news for this pair. It's the US Nonfarm Payrolls, which is going to be later on this evening. So the US Bureau of Labor Statistics anticipates releasing numbers for the US Nonfarm Payrolls later on this evening. And according to economists' view, the US Nonfarm Payrolls registered a reading of 469K in November as compared to a reading of 638K in the previous month.
The US Nonfarm payroll data reflect the number of jobs created in the non-agricultural sector over the period under consideration. The changing payroll figure could be highly volatile due to having a direct impact of decisions made by the Central Bank of the United States. It is worth mentioning here that non-farm payroll figures are subject to subsequent reviews that may create volatility in the forex board as well. Generally speaking, the high reading suggests a bullish market for the US Swiss pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the micro and macroeconomic outlook of this pair, the US Swiss, over the past few days, selling this pair around the current levels might be a worthwhile trading decision in the short to medium term. As always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict risk and money management techniques.
Thanks for the reminder, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button and share to your friends.
Hope you have a great weekend. See you Monday.
See you on Monday.